What if I told you you can make a glowing neon sign just like this one for less than 20 bucks? Hello everyone, this is Abir and you are watching iDecoMart Neon. Today we are going to make a neon sign that will not break your bank. Before we start the process, let's check out the elements we need to make the neon sign. No fancy tools, no crazy budget, but a stunning neon sign. Step number 1. Our process begins with the making of design into computer. Step number 2. Engraving the design. Step 3. LED strip installation. Time to install the LED strips, which is one of the key components of our neon sign. Step 4. Soldering process. Here comes the most important part to light up the neon sign. Carefully, we need to provide the connection between the LED strips. Let's move on to step number 5, which is neon strip installation. This is our last step to make the neon sign. We have to cover up the LED strips with neon silicone strips to get the neon effect. Here is our stunning neon sign, which takes only 20 bucks to make it. I hope you like this video. If so, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Enjoy the video with the music. See you until next time.